6 days master wedding.
Hi Lenas, very good morning. Welcome to Unified Study. This is Tulasi. So sorry for coming late today. Today is the first day for my daughter's school, right? So that's why it was late. I'm sorry for taking class at 9:15. So first of all, sorry for the coming late. Yes, yes. So please, sorry Radha ma'am, and thanks for waiting also. So today we are going to do mathematical reasoning for the upcoming NET examination. So it's going to be like this week completely we are going to focus on mathematical reasoning, that's max based question, and sometimes we also have mixed question, but max we are going to focus this week for the upcoming examination, right? So what are all the important concepts that we can expect in the examination, that we will focus on this week. So when you know the concept and when we apply something, definitely that will be useful for us. Try to note down in your notebook and do practice. Definitely this will be very useful to you. The learners, those who are new to a platform, please subscribe and share the videos with your friends. Definitely it will be useful to them. Watch till the end, right? Okay. And today we are going to see very important expected boats and streams aptitude based question. So this boats and streams, before getting into this, these are the terms that we have to be aware of. That is still water, stream, upstream and downstream. So what do you mean by still water? A water which is that still, okay, it's not moving. The water of the river or any other body which is not flowing, it is just stagnant over that place, no, that we call it as a still water, which is not moving. The water of the river or any other water body which is not flowing, we call it as a still water. And stream means what? Stream means something moving across some flow, right? That is called stream. Either it can be in this way or it can be in this way. Either it can flow from top to down, or it can go by this direction, or it can go by this direction. So somewhere there will be a flow of that water body, right? And that we call it as a stream. It's a flowing water of a river which is moving at a certain speed. Whenever something is moving means there will be a speed related to that one, and that we call it as stream. Clear? And next we have another term called upstream. Upstream means what? See a person, there will be a water body like this, and here a person can move across this. The direction of the stream will be in this way. The water will flows in this direction, and what will happen? The person who is riding in the boat will be doing in the opposite direction. You understand? So against the stream. So this is the flow of the stream, and this is the flow of that boat. So see, both in the opposite direction if it happens means then we call it as upstream, opposite direction. Say another example also I can give. The water is flowing in this direction, but the boat is going along this way. Boat is going along this opposite to the stream. That's called upstream. And if it is downstream means what does it mean? Downstream means what does it mean? See, a stream of water is there, and then the stream is flowing along this direction, and the boat will be along with the stream force, and this we call it as downstream. So either the boat or the person who swims across the object which flows along with the stream, we call it as the downstream. Am I clear? Yes, along the flow of the water. So these terms that we have to be very clear. First of all, here I have given a pictorial representation of all those things. So here the boat direction, the stream direction, same. Then we call it as a downstream. So everything we have a speed, right? That flowing water, something moves itself, it has a speed. So the speed of the boat and the speed of the stream together we call it as the speed of the downstream. We have to add. Whenever we have to calculate the speed of the upstream against the flow when I am moving means what I have to do? The speed of the boat and the speed of the stream we have to subtract. That is u minus v. So, and before this one you need to be very clear with one formula with respect to speed. What is the speed formula? Yes, what is the speed formula? What is the formula of speed? What is the formula of speed? Quick. Waiting for your answers. Formula of speed. Formula of speed. Simple formula of speed. We used to represent by kilometer per hour, right? Yes, very good Radha ma'am. That is nothing but a distance divided by time. So this you have to keep in mind. In problems we have to use these formulas too. Okay, right. Now we'll go to the important. Here I have given the representation of all those things. You can just note down. These are the formulas that we have to remember for this boats and streams problem. If the speed of the boat in still water is u kilometer per hour and the speed of the stream is v kilometer per hour, then the speed of the downstream is equal to u plus v kilometer per hour. Okay, the speed of the boat in still hour is u kilometer per hour, speed of the stream is v kilometer per hour, means then speed of the downstream is u plus v, upstream means u minus v. This is one formula that you have to remember. And next formula you have to remember is, if the speed of the downstream is a kilometer per hour and speed of the upstream is b kilometer per hour, then the speed in the still water is 1 by 2 a plus b kilometer per hour. Okay, then what will be the rate of the stream? Rate of the stream means speed of the stream. Stream means that flowing water is there, right? What is the rate of the stream? 1 by 2 a minus b kilometer per hour. So these four formulas you can note it down, basic formulas, note it down in your notebook. So speed of downstream, speed of upstream, speed in still water, rate of the stream. These formulas noted down in your notebook. With this only we are going to do our today's problem. Shall we start the problem? Yes. First problem. A person can row a boat at 7 km per hour downstream and 3 km per hour upstream. Then calculate the row speed of in still water and the rate of the current. We just normally we had the formulas, right? Speed of the upstream u plus v, speed of the downstream u minus v, and then speed of the in still water. Speed in the still water 1 by 2, you can also have this u plus v so that you will not forget, right? And the rate of the stream. This is with still water, speed in still water, and the next is speed in speed of the stream, that is 1 by 2 u minus v. Now tell me the rowing speed in still water and the rate of a current. Waiting for your answers. I have given the formulas. What has been given here? What has been given? Down speed stream. Speed of the downstream. That is u, right? U is being given as 7 km per hour. And then speed of upstream, that is v, is given 3 km per hour, right? Then what they asked for? They are asked for the speed in still water. Speed in still water. What is the formula we can use? That is 1 by 2 u plus v. So that is equal to what? 1 by 2, 7 plus 3. So that is equal to 10 divided by 2. That is 5 km per hour. You got it? You got the answer, learners? Yes. So this is the speed in still water. Next, what they have been asked, very good Kalaivani. Next, they have asked for speed of the current. That is the stream. So that is equal to what? 1 by 2, 7 minus 3. 1 by 2 u minus v is the formula given. So that is equal to, this is 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 km per hour. Yes, very good Radha ma'am, Kalaivani ma'am. So here they have asked to calculate the speed in still water, that is 10 by 2, 5 km per hour, and speed of the current is equal to 4 by 2, 2 km per hour. You understand? Yes. Shall we move to the next problem? Yes, learners. Please let me know so that we can. Very good, Kumareshwari ma'am. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Shall we move to the next problem? Current means a stream. Yes. Yes. Current means that stream. You are right. Okay. Moving to the next problem. Come on, let's start doing it. Second problem. Here they have given the speed of the boat upstream. Okay, the upstream they have given speed of the upstream given as 20 km per hour. Okay, then if the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour means, then what is the speed of the downstream? Speed of the downstream, that is equal to what? What is the formula? What is the formula? Speed is equal to what? The speed of the boat in upstream is 20 km per hour and the speed of the stream is, okay, the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. This is 3 km. Then here the upstream is given as 20 km and downstream we have to calculate. What will come? Very good. Yes, waiting for your answers. Quick. Yes. Very good. Speed of the boat in upstream is what? 20 km per hour. The speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. Then what is the stream of the downstream? Very good. Waiting for your answers. Just what we have to do. Very good, Radha ma'am. 26 will come. 26 will come. See here the formula. Speed of the boat in still water is given here, right? Yes, the speed of the boat is given. So that is 3. Now they have given the upstream. That is 20 they have given. So we have to do the upstream. Yes. So speed in still water, yes, is equal to the upstream plus the speed. So that is 20 plus 3, that is equal to 23 km per hour. Yes, right? This is the speed in the still water. Speed in the still water. What they have asked for? They have asked for the downstream. Now simply what we have to do? We have to calculate the downstream, that is equal to 26 km per hour. Very good. Yes. Yes. So there they have given in still water. We have to calculate for what? For the downstream. Simply we can use this formula to find out the answer. Yes, we can use this formula. I'll make it here. Still water is 3. 1 by 2. Upstream, downstream we don't know. So we can have it like that. And plus we can have it this as 20. Am I right? Yes. No, you are right only. See, you can use this formula. Here they have given the speed of the boat in boat's upstream they have given. That is V they have given. You have to calculate U. And what another one is the speed of the stream they have given. Simple, the last formula we have did, right? That you can use. That's all. I'll do it for you. This we don't know. Minus this. So 3 is equal to U minus 20 divided by 2. So this goes here 6. That is U minus 20. U is equal to 26 km per hour. Very good. You are right. Shall I repeat it again? Shall I repeat it again? Yes, I will repeat it again. See, here in the question they have given speed of the boat upstream they have given. Next, speed of the stream they have given. So this is nothing but V. They have given us 20, and speed they have given us what? 3 km per hour. And what they have asked to find out? Speed of the boat downstream we have to find out. Yes, we are right, Radha ma'am. That you have to find out. That is U, you have to find out. What is the formula here? 1 by 2 U minus V. Why? Because they have given with respect to the stream speed. So we have to take this one. Okay. So that is equal to, we know the speed is nothing but 3. So 3 is equal to 1 by 2 U minus 20. So that is equal to, this 2 goes here, this becomes 6. That is equal to U minus 20. So U is equal to 20 plus 6, 26 km per hour. So that is the speed of the downstream, 26 km per hour. Am I clear? Yes, very good. Next question. This is a question where you have to use this formula. Keep it in mind. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. With this formula, we will be doing this. Sam takes 2 hours to sail a boat for 4 kilometers against a stream and cover 2 kilometer distance in 20 minutes. If he rows the boat along the current of the river, calculate the time taken to cover 20 kilometer in still water. 20 kilometer in still water. Read the question, break down, write it down, then we can do it. First, try to break down the question. That will be most useful for us to attempt in the examination. Yes. Read the question. Sam takes 2 hours to sail a boat for 4 kilometers against a stream and cover a distance of 2 kilometer distance in 20 minutes. If he rows the boat along with the current of the river, then we have to calculate the time to cover 10 kilometers in still water. Don't worry, we will do together, don't worry. So here first what they have given, against the stream they have given. So first we have to calculate the stream speed of the upstream given. We have to calculate. What is the stream of the upstream here? 4 kilometer divided by 2 hours. Why ma'am? Upstream means what? Upstream speed, how to calculate? Here they have given the distance, here they have given the time. So that is equal to 2 km per hour is the speed of the upstream. Similarly, we have to calculate for the speed of the downstream. Along with the current of the river means what? Along with the current of the river. But there is a small twist here. Here what they have given with minutes. Minutes for what we have to do? 20 into 60 divided by 2. Am I right? Yes? Sorry. 2 divided by. Because 2 kilometer divided by, it's given in minutes. So 20 into 60. Why we have multiplied by 60? I have to convert to hours. That's why I multiplied into 60, right? So that will gives me, it's 2 kilometer. 1 into 60. That is equal to 2 to cancel 3. That is 6 km per hour. Now we have calculated the speed of the upstream and downstream. You have to calculate the speed in the still water and also the time taken. Am I clear with this point? The question given, Sam takes 2 hours to sail a boat for 4 km against a stream. Against means what does it mean? This is called upstream. And he can cover 2 km per distance in 20 minutes if he rows the boat along with the current. Along with the current means what? This is called downstream, right? So upstream formula what? Speed we have to cover distance divided by time. We have done it. Again for downstream we have to calculate 2 km and the time here is taken is 20 minutes. I have to convert into hours. Am I clear? I have to convert into hours. That is why I have multiplied by 60. Yes or no? Radha ma'am, see here. I have 20 minutes. how many hours it is? How many hours it is? I have to divide it by 60, right? So when I put divided by 60 means it goes to the numerator, no? That's why I put in the numerator. Am I clear, ma'am? 20 minutes. How many hours it is? 20 divided by 60. That is 1 by 3 hours. We used to say, right? 1 by 3 hour. That's why the 60 comes in the denominator. When I put here means it will go to the numerator. Got the point? Yes, right. So that's why it goes to the numerator and becomes 6 km per hour. So now we have calculated the speed of the downstream, speed of the upstream. Now what we have to calculate? The speed in the still water. Speed in the, yes. Okay. Then we have to calculate speed in the still water. What is the formula? What is the formula of speed in the still water? Yes, 10 km equal to 4 hours, ma'am. You are giving me the answer. Okay. So here 1 by 2 u plus v. That is the formula we can use. So 1 by 2. What is u? U is u is 6. Yes, this is 2. So that is equal to will be having 4 km per hour. This is 4 km per hour. But what is the question? The time taken. What we have to do? Speed we have calculated. So speed is equal to 4 km per hour means, then what is distance they have given? Distance is equal to 10 km. Then what we have to find out? The time we have to find out. I move myself to this side. So we have to calculate the time. So how to calculate the time? How to calculate the time? Time formula. Speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to distance divided by time. So time is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance divided by speed. That is equal to 10 divided by 4. That is equal to 2.5 km per hour. You got the point? You got it? .5. What we have to get? Hours. 2.5 hours. You got it? Waiting for your answers, learners. 2.5 hours. You got it? Yes, Radha ma'am, Kumareshwari ma'am. Very good. Yes. What about others? Are you all doing? What about others? Are you all doing? Yes. Very good, very good. Got it. Very good, very good. Now we move to the next question. Easy one. Try to solve this one. Read this question. Question number 4. A person rows a boat at a speed of 6 km per hour in still water. A person rows a boat at a speed of 6 km per hour in still water. The speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. Then how much time will Sam take to cover 36 km downstream? 36 km. First always try to break down what has been given over there. What is given there? This a person rows a boat at a speed of 6 km per hour in the still water. If the speed of the stream is 3 km means, then how much time he will take to cover 36 km downstream? So what is the speed of the boat with stream here? The speed of the boat with stream is equal to 6 plus 3, right? Because still water plus the speed of the stream. So that is equal to 9 km per hour. That is equal to 9 km per hour. It is the speed of the boat with the stream. With the stream, right? Okay. Question is, how much time will that person takes to cover 36 km downstream? Simple. We have calculated the downstream here, right? We have along with the stream means what? We have calculated with the downstream, and next what they have given? They have given the distance they have given. The distance is equal to 36 kilometer. What they have asked? They have asked with the time. How to calculate the time? Time is equal to distance divided by speed. So what is distance? Distance is 36 kilometer and the speed is 9 kilometer per hour. So that is equal to, it takes 4 hours to cover the downstream of 36 kilometer to travel along with the speed. Am I clear? Yes? Yes, learners, please let me know. You got the answers, pa? Right. Very good. So this week we are going to do fully both mathematical reasoning based question. You may wonder why I started boards and streams. Earlier we have taken all this basic other topics like ratios, average speed, coding, decoding, series completion, everything we have done before in our Unified Study YouTube channel. So here I have started boards and streams because these are also the topics being asked in the examination. So this week fully we are going to do mathematical reasoning. Tomorrow it's going to be of second part of boards and streams with more difficult level of question asked in the examinations. Am I clear? Radha ma'am, you want me to explain once? Okay. I am a person who are rowing a boat at a speed of 6 km per hour in a still water. I am rowing now. Okay. Now what happened if the speed of the stream is there at 3 km per hour? Speed of the stream. And if I want to travel down the thing by 36 km downstream means, then what time I will take to travel? So here what is this 6 plus 3? The speed of the boat and the stream together, it is 9 km per hour I have calculated, and the distance is 36 km I have to cover. Then what time it takes? Simple, 36 by 9 km per hour, it gives 4 hours to travel that distance. Okay, right. So tomorrow don't forget to join. I will be letting know the time in the group. Possibly it will be 8:30. Today as my daughter's first day school, I have to go early. That's why it was early. And tomorrow it will be 8:30. Join for second level of boards and stream question asked in the examination. Okay, and try to solve this problem as your homework. If not, we will do it tomorrow also. Okay, but try to solve this problem and give the answer in the comment section. Clear? And we'll meet tomorrow. Share with your friends. It will be of basic questions asked in boards and streams. So tomorrow we'll meet with another set of questions from same topic. Until then, tata, bye bye. Do solve this problem. Try to put some effort to solve this problem. Even if it goes wrong, don't worry. We have all the formulas, right? Try to solve it and give the answer. I'll feel very happy. Okay. Meet you all tomorrow. Bye. Tata.